Welcome to Oxland Acoustics. How to install a ceiling cloud. Needing drywall plugs, cup hooks, cable ties, or alternatively use chain. Making a hole inside your panel, screwing in your hooks, measuring and marking the precise point where you would like your cloud to be mounted, making your hole and putting in your plug. Connect your hooks and plugs and suspend to desired height.